Science has effectively demolished the idea that homosexuality is somehow learned or acquired after birth or even, goodness, is a choice. That's been done away with by science. Nonetheless, parents sometimes wonder if they have influenced their child's sexual orientation. The answer is a broad and emphatic no. Now, of course, for all of us, straight or gay, your experiences in life influence your sexual development, just like they influence everything else, but they can't determine your orientation. The things that science now knows determine orientation is sometimes just a genetic coin flip. About the same percentage of the population that is left-handed is also gay, and it's no coincidence that a similar suite of genes that control body symmetry are also linked to sexual orientation. Womb environment can make a difference. Mothers who have had a lot of sons tend to be at a tend to have a statistically higher likelihood of having a gay son later on, simply because the womb becomes slightly feminized. The mother's body tends to see a male child as slightly more alien than a female child, so it produces certain antibodies that chemically feminize the womb. Even fraternal siblings tend to have an influence on each other because there is some cross-permeability in the hormonal environment of one placenta and the other. All of these things drive sexual orientation. Experience doesn't determine it.